What'd you pull me over for?
Suspicious activity. I didn't know what you were doing.
That's not a law.
Actually, I
no,
can
it
pull
isn't.
you over for that, sir.
Suspicious activity.
Yes.
Okay, sir. We were concerned because usually when people are surveilling us, it's because they want to come out here. You've heard about police officers getting shot and things like that. We're just checking you because it is unusual for somebody to sit behind the police department and videotape officers. So that's why we're making contact with you today.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Roll your window down for me, please.
I can hear you just fine.
So I'm going to have to ask you to roll the window down.
I can hear you just fine, officer.
Welcome back to another banger on the JFA channel, and today we're going to enjoy these traffic stop videos together, and it's going to show you how to handle a traffic stop like a boss whenever you come face to face against these road pirates that do this on a daily basis. And this is why it's important to record them and always exercise your rights. I'm going to make sure I drop all the links that I featured in today's video, the channels that I featured in today's video in the description below, in case you want to go check out more of these type of videos on their channels. I highly recommend it. Thanks for tuning in. Get ready, guys. Pop your popcorns and roll one up.
How you doing, sir?
Hey, how you doing?
I forgot we have in police department.
Yeah.
What are you up to today?
What'd you pull me over for?
I was just curious. I saw you behind me. I couldn't tell
You
what
turned
you
your
had.
emergency lights on and pulled me over because you were curious?
Yeah,
Is that
suspicious
legal?
activity.
What statute is that?
It's suspicious activity, sir.
What's
Do you
your
have a
badge?
driver's license on you?
What'd you pull me over for?
Suspicious activity. I didn't know what you were
That's
doing.
that's not a law.
Actually, I
no,
can
it
pull you
isn't.
over for that, sir.
Suspicious activity.
Yes.
What's
Do you have your driver's license on you, sir?
What's your name?
Do you have your driver's license on you, sir?
Sir, you didn't pull me. You can't pull me over for suspicious activity.
Actually, I can.
No, you can't.
I can.
You call your supervisor?
So let me get this straight. This road pirate pulls them over for suspicious activity. First of all, suspicious activity is not a crime. It's not enough reasonable suspicion to pull somebody over, detain anybody, or even ask them for identification.
You have to have a statute why you pull me over.
Can I get a supervisor to my location, please?
What was the suspicious activity?
What's the, who does the vehicle return to for my stop? 10-4, can you run, please? Can I ask what you were doing out there, sir?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
So why are you asking me questions then?
Because you're a public servant. I'm not. I'm not paid with taxpayer dollars.
Okay. So what's your name? Is this your car?
Why did you pull me over? What statute is that you pulled me over for? What lawful reason? Can you articulate that? Because I took your picture?
I couldn't tell what you were doing, sir.
Right. Well, then you pulled me over because you couldn't tell what I was doing?
Because it was suspicious activity. You sat behind me even though there was no reason to. There was no traffic coming.
I didn't sit behind you.
Yes, you did. You sat on Brewster Street for a while.
Yeah.
There was no traffic coming. You could have pulled out and turned north onto Richmond as your blinker suggested.
Why were you sitting there? There was no car in front of you.
I had conducted a traffic stop.
All right, move out of the way of the road. You're impeding traffic.
10-4, can you check it out? Just any alerts or anything like that.
Citation for a crash.
Do you here on what time I'll actually get up here.
Hi,
Hi.
Lieutenant Alvac with Appleton Police. You asked to talk to a supervisor?
Yeah, this guy pulled me over for suspicious activity.
Okay.
He said, what statute is that?
Which what?
What statute is
Well,
that?
it's not a statute, sir. It's a...
So he's pulling me over for a non-violation. I haven't violated. I wasn't committing a crime. I wasn't about to commit a crime, and he didn't catch me committing a crime.
Okay.
Why did he, or any violation, why did he pull me over? Suspicion in itself isn't a reason to pull someone over.
Well, when you're in an area where an officer is conducting a traffic stop on another vehicle and you
Right.
stop and you have something in your hand, it's kind of a dangerous world we live in right now. Okay, so he didn't know what your intentions were or what you had in your hand.
Right.
Okay, it's certainly within the law to film. You just have to do it in a way that isn't going to cause concern with regards to an officer's safety.
No, that's not true. The Supreme Court already ruled on this. It doesn't interfere with the officer safety.
Yep.
At all.
Yep. Okay, so he stopped to see what you had in your hand because he didn't know
Well,
it was a camera.
that's not what he said. He said suspicious activity.
Yep.
And that's not a reason to stop me either.
Okay. Well, it could be. It certainly could be.
Well, a lot of things could be, but
Yeah.
it's not.
Well, the totality of everything here is he didn't know that was a camera. Okay, if it was clearly a camera, it wouldn't have been a stop. But he didn't know what it was.
Yeah, it's still a violation
Okay.
of my rights for him to pull me over for that reason.
Okay, we don't have anything else right now. Okay. Okay. Well.
Yeah, I didn't commit any violation or crime. You can't run my ID.
Okay.
I'm talking to you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Do you need it for anything else? Because
Don't stop people unlawfully. Honor your oath.
You're on your way, sir.
Honor your oath.
You're on your way.
You're on your way.
you point to your camera.
What do you think it is?
Why don't you pay attention to the road?
Why don't you stop talking to me?
Now that's how it's done. Fantastic job by the cameraman. People, especially if you're new to these type of videos, know your rights. Pick up on these videos. Exercise your rights when it's that time to do so. And of course, always record your interactions with police all the time. It's for your safety.
Am I doing something wrong?
No, I just asked you what you were doing.
Don't have to answer.
You don't have to.
Unless you're telling me I'm legally obligated to answer your questions.
Does he wander or anything like that? Okay, sir. We were concerned because usually when people are surveilling us, it's because they want to come out here. You've heard about police officers getting shot and things like that. We're just checking you because it is unusual for somebody to sit behind the police department and videotape officers. So that's why we're making contact with you today.
Okay.
All righty. Any particular reason you're recording officers? Is there any particular reason you're recording officers? Is your parking brake set, sir? Is your parking brake set? It does not appear so. You have your driver's license, proof of insurance with you? Okay. Well, here's the thing is...
So you're harassing me now, right?
No, I'm asking you a question.
You're okay.
I'm asking you, is your parking brake set?
You didn't ask. You have no reason to stick your head in my vehicle after
didn't stick
bothering
my
me.
head in your vehicle.
Then how do you know my parking brake's not
Because I
on?
can see it from right here.
You stuck your head in my door.
No, right here is not in your
You
door.
are lying.
May I have your driver's license,
No,
sir?
you can't.
Okay.
You can't take me to jail. God damn you.
I'm concerned about the people that I talk to, sir, because, like I said,
You harassed me. You came over just so you could harass me, and then you stuck your head in my car and asked me if my parking brake was on. My parking light does not work. It doesn't matter what you think.
Okay.
You have no right to come over and ask. You don't just go over to people and ask them for that. How many times a day do you go over and stick your head in somebody's car and ask them if their parking brake is on? How many times do you do that in your life? How many times have you done that since you've been a cop?
5 or 6 times.
Okay, so how long have you been a cop?
16 and a half years.
So 16 and a half years, this is the 5th time you've asked somebody if they had a parking brake on.
Yes.
Now, I do gotta admit, guys, that it's not easy to actually shut the hell up when you're out there facing the cops like this. I know some people, and usually people say don't speak to the police. I totally agree on that. But when you're out there, your blood's boiling, your freedom is on the line, it's not that easy. You want to let it out. You want to let them know what's up. You want to stand your ground. It's not that easy to not speak to the police. This is just my opinion and my experience with them.
But
so that's not harassing.
No.
You are just such full of garbage. It's a lie.
Well, obviously, the conversation we have here, sir, is not going to go anywhere.
Yeah,
they typically
that's right.
Don't take people to jail for not setting their parking brake. Okay. However, when people are acting in a unusual manner, it usually means that they're doing something that they're not proud of, or that there's something more.
Hey, I didn't do anything I wasn't proud of. You should be real proud of wasting 4 cops' times coming over here bugging and harassing a citizen for sitting by the police force. It's none of your damn business what I'm doing here.
Okay. Well, have a safe day.
Hold
Be
butt.
careful.
Get out of my way.
Have a safe day.
Yeah, you too.
I apologize, guys, but I do gotta say that this next clip is epic. I found it hilarious. This guy's a beast, and I think this is the way you should handle a traffic stop. Check this out.
Yes, sir.
Roll your window down for me, please.
I can hear you just fine.
So I'm going to have to ask you to roll the window down.
I can hear you just fine, officer. There's my license.
To roll the window down, please.
I can hear you just fine, officer. There's my license. There's my registration. Or my insurance.
Is there some reason you can't roll the window down? I saw you roll it up.
I don't answer questions. I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions?
That's correct.
What's the reason for that?
I don't answer questions. Do you want my license and registration or not?
Pronounce your last name for me.
I don't answer questions.
I'm going to need you to pronounce your last name.
I don't answer questions. It's there on the license. Actually, I think it said 40.
Actually, I'm pretty sure it's 30.
You're pretty sure or you're positive? You're pretty sure or you're positive?
I can argue with you.
All right, well, I'll just turn around and I'll check.
Here's your information.
You want to hand it to me, please?
That's as far as I'm
Would you please stick it through the window?
I'm not going to do that, Mr. Stewart.
All right, well then, I don't know what to tell you.
Sounds like we're going to be on the side of the road a long time.
Well, I guess so. Right through here. Thank you.
That's not gonna work.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Well, I don't know what to tell you. I'm willing to take it right here. Would you please give this to me, or are you not going to give me the ticket? Officer, am I being detained or am I free to go? I am being detained? Am I being detained? He won't answer me.
Mr. Suter, here's your copy.
Thank you.
Court date is June 6th, June 7th at 2 o'clock.
Thank you. Am I free to go now? Am I free to go? I'm not being detained any longer?
Nope.
All right, thank you. Are we okay? Am I free to go?
Now that was great. What are your thoughts on that? What are your thoughts about this video as well? Drop it in the comments, guys. Thanks for tuning in and for your support and for watching this all the way to the end. If you're new to this channel and you like what you just saw, subscribe right now. Hit that bell so you won't miss none of my great videos on a daily basis. And everybody smash the like button. Again, the channel links that I featured today in this video will be in the description below. If you want to go check out more of these videos, I highly recommend it. Again, guys, thanks for tuning in and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.